the spy dog, silent in the dark. Max the spy dog, he'll expose every mark. Max the spy dog, bad guys better beware. Max the spy dog, he'll get you anywhere. Bad guys better beware. Max the spy dog, he'll catch you anywhere.
Time for the best part of the day. Flopping onto my soft bed with my squeaky bone. Ow! Hey, where's my bed? And where's my squeaky bone?
Help! Help! Can someone help me? Huh?
Don't worry, Daisy. I'm coming. Whoa! I'm okay.
Anyways, Daisy, what's wrong?
Someone's stolen my puzzle toy.
Did you check everywhere?
Yes, I'm sure I looked everywhere.
I've been robbed, and so has everyone else. Don't worry, I'll find your stuff.
Hey, Rufus, a little help.
Oh, Twig, what am I going to do with you?
Aha! A trail of missing stuff. Chew toys, blankets, food bowls. Whoever took this left a whole mess behind. Whoa, that's a mountain of stolen stuff. Who lost a tail? Hey, wait! Where did it go?
Hello, Max.
Who are you?
My name is Scarlet Kitty.
Why are you taking things?
I'm going to become the richest kitty by stealing everything I can. Ha ha ha!
I'll steal it all, I'll take it fast. Every jewel they'll never last. Gold and silver, crown and ring. I'll be the richest kitty queen. Steal it all, steal it all. Hear the puppy
dinner time.
You will not get away with this.
Who's gonna stop me?
Me! Ever heard of a tick-tock croc?
Yes, why?
Meow!
Oh, now I get it.
Time's up. With a bark and a spin, I always win. Hey, my bed and my squeaky bone.
I'll get you for this, Max! My puzzle toy! Thank you, Max!
Now, where were we?